it is ludicrous for the ranking member of the subcommittee to make the argument that millions of illegal aliens who crossed into the country during the Biden administration invaded the country because the immigration system is, quote, broken, close quote. The fact is, these individuals came because of Biden's open border policies: no fence, no detention, no removal, and frankly, no enforcement. That's what happened. It is rich to decry the pardons of President Trump, yet failed to even insult, discuss, address places like San Diego, which have just become a super sanctuary city, or the California state itself with its sanctuary policies. I submit for the record story about a sanctuary city dweller suffering sexual battery, stranger rapes, murders at the hands of illegal aliens in California.
Without objection.